Lyft's new, first-of-its-kind emblem will amplify your rides. It starts with arguably one of the greatest deliveries ever. Amp arrives with all the essentials, including a strong magnetic base and in-car charger. To get started, Amp connects via Bluetooth with the Lyft app in your smartphone. Clean your dashboard before centering the base. Then place your amp with the Lyft logo facing out. During pickups, the glow of your amp matches the color in your passenger's Lyft app and guides passengers right to your door, even at night, in a big crowd. It's also an easy way to make your passengers smile. Amp's battery lasts up to 8 hours and can charge right in your car. Plus, it's easy to store when you're not driving. Though, we won't judge you if you keep it out.